And here we have it, our very first 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V. Not much I could do, since I always like the black packages. This whole car, the whole front end is black. This customer in particular wants to keep the chrome and silver look on the factory logo. V logo, stained silver. You pay for a V, you want to show off as a V. Nothing much to do on this side either. No chrome, all blacked out from factory. Back logo will remain chrome and silver as well. So will the logos in the back of the car. Not much to do in the back either, all blacked out. Love the exhaust. Wait till you hear the sound clip. Very rare that I say this, but Cadillac did an amazing job on these wheels as well. 24-inch, I love them, but the customer, he wants Avorzas. That's why we're gonna leave the logos with a polished finish, because I'm gonna make this client a custom set of Avorza AV84. Brand new style, designed it for him. He loved it, told me what he wanted. It will have a touch of polish on it, but it will also be black, and I think it'll flow great with this vehicle. Since there's not much I could do with this vehicle, this client wanted a protective film. I convinced him, let's go matte, make it a little bit of a different look, and at least I get to say, I did something. Let's take a look inside. I do criticize a lot that this car makes me feel like an old man, but I gotta tell you, all this carbon fiber finish is very settling for me. I'm feeling a little bit sportier on this one. I like that they went with the black piano finish inside. I love the carbon fiber look. If there's a car that deserves some carbon fiber, it's this, because it's a V. And it gives you a lot more of a sportier look. If you're wondering why the screen is off, I'm gonna show you why. Gentlemen, start your engines. Now that's what an SUV should sound like. And the one thing I never do in any of my videos, we're opening the hood on this one. This car is equipped with a Corvette engine, 6.2 liter supercharged. Most of the cars now come all covered. It sort of takes me back to when I was in high school and I would change my own oil, change my own belts. You can actually see the belts on this car. Working on the PPF already. Going to the matte finish. My son Adriel is inspecting everything, making sure it goes right. You see? You know what's crazy? I designed these wheels with so much texture and everything, and then I said I'm gonna add the lines in case somebody wants to do a color or something. He wanted to leave his polished logos around the car, and he told me I want to leave them polished. I didn't think it was gonna look good. Man, look at the difference when you see it like this, and then I'm gonna show you this other one we did in black, all gloss black. Total different look, still looks good, but this right here, that's artwork. And of course, driving around Miami, we all need that dash cam. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that like button and click that notification so you get notified every time we put up a new video. And again, thank you for watching.